Candida here, and the Vanilla Premier Protein is a great drink. I am a picky eater. I don't think my taste buds ever fully developed, so I don't like a lot of things, but I do like the Vanilla Protein. It's got just a nice vanilla flavor. I like to drink these in the morning when I'm running out the door. I can use this as a breakfast replacement. I have a teenage son who will also grab one of these, and this is used as a meal replacement. We also like to use the Vanilla Protein just to add to our coffee. So this has been a great replacement to creamers. And so we're able to use this to get a vanilla flavor, but add a little protein into our day. We've also started using the Premier Protein shakes to make creamy desserts. And so here we use the Vanilla Protein as our base ingredient to make an ice cream. And so once we whip this up, this will have the Vanilla Protein shake as well as a few other ingredients to give it a different flavor. What I like about this is once we mix this up and we turn it into a creamy ice cream, it will be packed full of protein. So we're able to make desserts and not have the guilt that goes along with it. So for us, the Premier Protein has been a game changer. I hope you found the review helpful.